Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Suno Studio. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com. And if you come here to the left-hand side, you are going to find the studio option in the menu. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And from here, you can see that in order to access the studio, then you are looking at $30 a month for the Premier plan. So this gives you access to the latest advanced version 5 model, gives you access to Suno Studio. You get 10,000 credits, and it is $30 a month. So if you are using Suno and you're wondering about the studio, you are going to need the Premier subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the description, you will find the referral link will give you $50 to start an account with Simply. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.